Hey, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be looking at the oddest soft drinks around the world. So, um, oh, there we go. Weirdest Soda Spinoffs is our first website here. I have actually tried Crystal Pepsi or Pepsi Clear, and it is actually really good. Coca-Cola Plus. It's like Coke is really trying to take the whole stop giving people diabetes thing seriously, which is they're preparing for release Coca-Cola Plus. Yeah. So apparently this is debuting in Japanese markets first. I get the point. So apparently this is saying it's releasing in Japan first to see if people like it, because there are some pretty odd foods in Japan. But besides the point. Green tea Coca-Cola. So apparently this is green tea cola from So yeah, that basically just said some people enjoy it, some people hate it. I guess that just goes with every other product, I guess. And this one is OK Soda. So this was like from Coca-Cola in 1993. Okay, so apparently this was marketed towards more of a grunge um, era type of thing when people were shifting towards that. And the last one we got on this website is Coca-Cola Black. From Coca-Cola, I must have seen the Drew Carey episode where. So apparently it's. Ugh, kind of sounds disgusting. Beer and coffee. Let me know if you're into that in the comments down below. So then we got Coca-Cola Light. Another attempt by Coke to take back some new healthy conscious behavior. Coca-Cola Light is now low-calorie version of the original, but instead of high fructose corn syrup, it's sweetened by regular sugar. And so basically, it's a more natural version of Coke. I think I've tried it, and it wasn't very good. So, all right. And all these links will be in the description down below, so if you want to go check some more of these out. Scroll. 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 Okay, so this one's not really like pictures, it's more like an article. So starting at number 10, we have Celery Soda by Dr. Brown's. The one that actually Celery Stable, New York. Okay. So apparently it tastes like a whole lot of ranch dressing. And number 9 is Buffalo Wing Soda. Ugh. 7 is That Key Soda by Jones Soda. It probably tastes fried, I guess. Number 6 is Smoked Salmon. Smoked Salmon Soda. Number 5 is Moxie. 4 is Antacid. Who comes up with these? I want to know who comes up with these. Like, because some of these are really, really weird. I don't know if I would ever drink chicken wing soda. Comment down below if you would actually drink some of these. When Windows Vista freezes on you. Come on, Windows Vista. How dare you in screen recorder? That is. Eleven crazy soda flavors you won't find in the US. Well, damn. Eleven crazy soda flavors you won't find in the US. Salty watermelon. Ugh. So apparently this wasn't a very long-lived soda. Olive bread and soft drinks manufactured company. Homemade. Slime bitter flavor which tasted like it sounded with a hint of lemon. Ugh. Fortunately for us brave souls out there, these Japanese sodas they can be purchased online. So go online if you really are desperate to try any of these. This next one is Pepsi Ice Cucumber. Well then. Pepsi Ice Cucumber was another flavor from Japan sold in the summer of 2007. Looks like it's in the vending machine there. Fanta Cassia Black Currant flavor soda is available in Kenya and Egypt. So yeah, apparently, don't even know what flavor that would be, but if you guys want to try any of these, don't forget to like this video, and so yeah, that's going to wrap it up for the video today. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's going to be an adaptation to my last video on the screen And yeah, don't forget to click that along with the playlist. And yeah, I think you guys would really enjoy the playlist and the next video. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.